Hey, what it is, your boy Darrell, Mr. D-O-double-R, you feel me? Right now, I'm looking for 3 sexy ladies to be on the cover of this magazine with me, Urban Mainstream Magazine.
Live for the club life, everyday club night, doing my thing, you can catch me in the club light. Probably cause I'm shining in the club light, lit like brand new bub light. Catch me in the limelight, catch me in the limelight, catch me in the limelight, catch me in the sight. Never in a dark spot, always in the limelight. BBS shine hard, especially when the time right, especially when the light hit. Bright chest, bright wrist, iced out froze, got me cold like an ice pick. Money ain't a matter, I can shatter any price list. Get it if I want it like a spoiled rich white chick. Work my word, watch the haters gon' bite this. Fool these cause the house don't like this. Break the beat down, throw your hands up. If they sitting down, make them stand up. I'm new school, the next man up, and I ain't gon' stop till it's locked like handcuffs. We ready, better bring your A game. I'ma ride this track like a freight train. Make them stomp like, get it live, keep it live. You already know I live for the club life, everyday club night, doing my thing. You can catch me in the club light, probably cause I'm shining in the club light, lit like brand new bub light. Catch me in the limelight, catch me in the limelight, catch me in the limelight.
2 Chainz. Hey, red light, green light, go. Yeah, they call me 2 Chainz, but I might wear 4.
You ain't gotta worry about getting your hair did. You ain't gotta about paying for the makeup. I'm gonna pay for that out myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm just looking for 3 ladies to come be on this cover of this magazine, you feel me?